Hello, friends. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to download Python. Go to this website called python.org. Then press the download button. You can see here the Python install manager. Click it. As you can see, it's downloaded. Now open it. You can now close the website. Now follow these steps. Click Install. Now this is your choice. I am clicking Y. After your choice, click Enter. Here also, I'm going for Y. And press Enter.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
I don't need it now, so I am going for N. And click Enter. We successfully installed Python. Now click it to open. Now enjoy the world of coding. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to my channel.